Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open circle door knob only way. Start by checking for a pinhole, slot, or recess screw and choose the right tool. If it is a pinhole, straighten a paper clip and press the release while turning. If recessed, remove screws and pull the knob off. Work gently, keep small parts safe, and test the latch after each step to avoid damage. Gather your tools and prepare calmly before you start so the job goes smoothly. Have a straightened paperclip or small pick, a flat screwdriver, and a flashlight nearby. Clear the area and use a container for screws to prevent loss. Work slowly and apply minimal force to avoid stripping parts. If anything feels stuck, stop and reassess to prevent damage or costly repairs. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free help while working on knobs, the Echo Dot smart speaker can play step prompts or music and keep you focused. It fits small spots and responds to simple voice commands, so your hands stay free while you use tools. Please subscribe and like if this video helps you, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach the knob with confidence and inspect closely for a pinhole or slot before you act. If you see a pinhole, insert a straightened paperclip and press inward while turning to release the latch. For screws or clips, remove or compress them and slide the knob off carefully, then use a screwdriver to retract the latch bolt. Reassemble in reverse, tighten screws, and test the door so it operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.